Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a high protein summer special breakfast recipe which can be enjoyed by the whole family. So let's get started with the recipe. I have already sliced 200 grams of mushrooms, 2 green chilies, half of an onion chopped, 3 tablespoons of coriander leaves chopped. Now heat a cast iron pan with 1 teaspoon desi ghee, or you can use any unrefined oil locally sourced from the place you live in. Once the ghee is heated, sprinkle the pan so that the ghee is nicely coated all over the pan. Add in the chopped onions and green chilies, give it a stir, add in pink Himalayan salt as needed, and remember that I'm using a well seasoned cast iron pan. Cooking in cast iron pan helps to absorb iron faster into your body. So try to cook at least one meal in a cast iron pan, especially if you have iron deficiency anemia. Add in half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder and give it a mix. Once the onion is transparent and light pink in color, remove it to a plate and keep it aside. Into the same cast iron pan, add in the chopped mushroom. Since the cast iron pan is well seasoned, I'm not adding in any extra oil. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder and give it a mix and cover and allow the mushrooms to get cooked on low flame. After about 2 minutes, you can see that once the mushroom starts to cook, it will start to release out water and the mushrooms also has shrunk a bit. Now mix well and cover and allow the mushrooms to get cooked. And now you can see that the water has completely dried out. Stir it well for about half a minute and add in the sauteed onion and green chili. Mix well for about a minute and then add in the chopped coriander leaves. Mix well and turn off the flame. The filling is ready. Since it is summer, in this recipe I am using jowar dosa batter. Grease the tawa with gingerly oil and reduce the flame to the lowest. Pour in 1 to 1.5 ladleful of the jowar dosa batter and spread it out as thinly as possible. I have already shared how to make jowar dosa batter with whole jowar grains and also with jowar atta. The recipe links will be updated below this video so that you can check it out. Drizzle in half teaspoon desi ghee. Healthy fats like desi ghee helps in the absorption of vitamins and minerals in the jowar, and it also helps to reduce the glycemic index of the grain. So do not skip it. Add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of the mushroom masala, and once the jowar dosa is roasted and is crisp, fold into half and serve the crispy crunchy high protein dosa with chutney of your choice. Children will enjoy this healthy dosa for breakfast, or you can serve them for dinner. So guys, do try this healthy jowar masala dosa and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.